Hey quiz lovers, welcome back to Brain Geeks. Today's challenge is going to test your observation skills. Can you guess the animal just by looking at its eyes? Let's find out. It sounds easy, but it gets tricky. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes. Let's go. First up, take a close look at these eyes. Can you guess the animal? Strong start. It's a dog. All right, here comes the next one. Look carefully. Nice one. That's a panda. Keep it going. Can you figure this one out just from the eyes? Yes, it's a cat. Simple but tricky. Can you spot the difference between these two images? Yes, you got an eagle eye. These are here. Take a good look. What animal could this be? You got it. It's a monkey. Well played. Eyes on the screen. Can you guess this animal? Great job. That's a zebra. Nicely spotted. This one might be tricky. Look closely at the eyes. Nice catch. It's a lemur. Not an easy one. Next challenge. Do these eyes look familiar? Awesome. That's a horse. You're doing great. Eyes on the screen. Can you guess this animal? Correct. It's a rabbit. Look carefully and spot the odd rabbit in this set. Boom! You spotted it perfectly. Quick thinking. Look closely at these eyes. Any guesses? Good job. That's a lion. Strong answer. Do you recognize this one? Amazing. It's an elephant. Focus again. Can you identify this animal? Well done. That's a deer. Nice and steady. Look again. Don't rush. What animal is this? Great. That's a frog. Easy or tricky? Look at the emojis and name the animal. Good guess. This is deer. Can you guess this animal? Awesome. It's a cheetah. Fast and fierce. Watch closely. These eyes are unique. Nice one. That's a hedgehog. Do these eyes look familiar? Good job. It's a polar bear. Cool and calm. Look carefully. What animal is this? Correct. That's a seal. Smooth answer. Stay focused. Can you guess this one? Amazing. It's a wolf. You're doing great. Champions, be clever and remember the positions of all the emojis. Can you figure out where is lion located? Nice job, it's here on number 2. Guess from these eyes. Correct, that's a camel. Strong guess. Take a close look. What animal is this? Good job, it's a goat. Do you recognize these eyes? Great, that's a sheep. Easy win. Look carefully. These eyes belong to... Nice. That's an armadillo. Tricky one. Think fast. What animal is this? Well done. That's a buffalo. Solid answer. Focus. Can you identify this animal? Great. It's a chimpanzee. Smart guess. Final one. Take a good look at these eyes. Amazing. That's a moose. You finished strong. Thanks for watching. How many animals did you guess correctly? Let us know your score in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. See you in the next challenge.